our biggest weekends are Heritage Day, Garlic Fest, Bacon Fest. Those events just bring people in, and we benefit from that. So Easton has done so many things right in the last 10 years, and we're just really happy to be part of that.
Established over 20 years ago, this quaint ice cream shop finds its foundation giving back to the community they call home by supporting organizations in the greater Easton area.
We support a lot of charities. We give out a lot of gift cards for different events, raffles, giveaways. We've done ice cream for Third Street Alliance. We make donations to various charities pretty much whenever we're asked. We're a pedestrian walkway. There's no car traffic on this, so it's a unique spot for the city. Started out as the Purple Cow. The name actually changed in 2013. A company in Michigan had a trademark on Purple Cow. So the prior owner changed the name to Bank Street Creamery in 2013. I bought it in 2015. Candace joined me in 2016, and we've been running the shop together ever since. We've seen Easton really become more vibrant. So not only do we still get Crayola families in here during the day, we have a wonderful flow of local residents coming from restaurants, a lot of events, and we get a good flow of Lafayette students who come down in the evening because we are open all winter long, and the Lafayette kids help us stay afloat in the winter. We have over 100 ice cream flavors. We have 24 in the dip case at any time, and we're constantly rotating them. Many of the flavors we inherited from the Purple Cow, but we've developed a whole bunch of new ones. The one unique thing that we've added, which is I credit Candace 100% for it, is we do a dairy-free gelato. It's a coconut-based gelato. We offer 6 flavors all the time. We have a separate dip case. We have the indoor and outdoor seating. So a lot of folks love to be outside like now in the summer, but in the winter we're open, and a lot of folks don't realize we're open in the winter. We have nice cozy setting inside. We offer coffee and hot cocoa. We do espresso. We do an affogato, which is an espresso and ice cream mix. So there's a little something for everyone.
So what's your favorite flavor of ice cream? Please let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and share with family and friends so they can also enjoy a cool, creamy treat at the Bank Street Creamery. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss the next episode of About Lehigh Valley, where we love to live, work, and play. See you next time.